Bought this new Max2 GoPro camera, the replacement for the 360 GoPro camera just called the Max. Want to see if I can get more angles of the video while I'm traveling on the road trips. Well, it's going to be interesting. This is the very first time I've used the Max2 on my motorcycle to see what it looks like and how difficult it will be to edit in my video editor program. So thought I'd just finally take the leap and get a 360 camera that let's see, I'll head down here to Costco because I got to buy some stuff at Costco. Can't buy much there because my bike's not going to hold much, but can't skip out on riding on a beautiful October day. It's October 8th, Wednesday. Temperature right now is 76 degrees. It is hazy. You can barely see the mountains. Normally here in Longmont, Colorado, you can clearly see the mountains, so I don't know if there's a small fire going somewhere. But it's not very clear today. Yeah, sorry that I didn't clean my windshield. It's not the lenses on the camera, it's the bugs on my windshield. Luckily they're very small bug marks, so maybe it won't show up in the video. $2.59 a gallon. That brand new 7-Eleven. That's not too bad of a price. I got $2.53 down the street, but $2.59 is not bad. Okay, coming down the hill into the city of Longmont. Probably about a quarter mile down this hill, I'll be on the left, Costco. Yeah, they're getting it in and out there, so I'll have to stop by and check out some burgers later on.